those Studios. I know a lot of people talk shit about them, but I haven't had any issues with this truck. Nothing.
Yeah.
Other than I just put that grill and radiator in.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking deer.
Deer
shoved the grill through the radiator.
I was coming back from Middle Ridge sushi and skipping a song on my phone, and I looked up and there was a deer like 10 feet in front of me, dumping rain. The tires almost lost traction.
This motor's got nuts too. That's for sure. Girls.
Yeah, but it looks like a brake pedal. It's either 80 or 180. I'm guessing 80 though. Yeah. Now this is only the 5-digit one, right?
Yeah. And then we took it to Walmart after we put the clutch in. They completely serviced the tranny, motor, rear end, and all that good stuff.
That's nice. Yeah.
How bad is yours knocking?
Really bad.
Really
like it's
badly.
gonna throw a rod within a couple minutes.
Must have been 3 yards.
The guy that I got it from, he said to me in person that he was driving and then just developed a knock at a red light, turned it off, but he trailered it home. And then after I bought the truck, he called me and said, yeah, you think I was lying my ass off to you the entire time. I had that fucker at the red light holding the rev limiter for 5 minutes straight.
Who is that?
His name is Dakota Olson from Sweet Home.
Oh yeah, I know who that is too. Douchebag tried trading me that piece of shit 2-wheel drive Mazda.
Oh,
Hey,
my
that used to be our
box.
pickup.
Yeah, you tried trading everyone for that.
Before you had that, we had that. That thing was a pile of shit.
Yeah.
Burned about fucking 2-3 quarts
Dude.
of oil every week.
Yeah.
Overheated.
Is that why there was no thermostat in it?
I don't know. I know it overheated as soon as you shut the heater off.
Yeah. It was fun. I drove the piss out of it.
We almost blew the thing up a couple times.
Going like 90 or something. I think it had a welded rear. No, it didn't have.
The rear was locked though. That
something.
rear diff
I
was
dumped the
locked.
clutch at a stop sign, and Draven was riding in the bed, and he said both the tires stuck.
Yeah.
Or
I saw
for a
2
second.
skid marks on the ground from it. So
Walk, you'll know in the corner.
Yeah. So what'd you do with that one White Ranger then? You sell that then? Beautiful.
Some cigs. Couple cigs, shotgun. Here, go ahead and jump in the passenger seat real quick. I'll take some of the-
Probably not. Don't drive it. Looks just like the interior of my Explorer.
Yeah, they're all pretty much the same.
I should have kept that thing.
The motor. This one don't have a knock to it if you can't tell.
Yeah. Sounds like a little tick, maybe an exhaust leak or something.
It's got a passenger side exhaust leak.
Okay.
That and the muffler's chopped off.
Alright. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that 3-liter pulls just about as hard as that 4-liter in my old Explorer. It winds up there. It's up to speed about as quick as this thing. This also has a 3-liter. Other than that, I think we got a deal. I like it. I don't see nothing wrong with it. So, I'll get back with another video whenever I go to pick up the engine.